facto sülh deməkdir. Bunun formal tərəfi Ermənistandan asılıdır. Nə qədər tez konstitusiya dəyişiklik edilərsə və Azərbaycana qarşı olan ərazi iddiası oradan çıxarılarsa, o qədər də tez sülh müqaviləsi imzalanacaq.
Everybody we have spoken to today is saying that the old world order is crumbling and the new world order is about to emerge, but it has not emerged yet. Just a few weeks ago in Davos, you signed the founding charter for the peace, and Azerbaijan is a founding member. And we know that in a few days actually, there will be another meeting in Washington. What is your reflection on this institution as a potential element of the new world order?
You know, if you remember, I spoke about this maybe not in details, but in general, that international law no longer is valid. And many countries just ignore them. And only to rely on international law will not solve your problems. And Azerbaijan's example really demonstrates that. So the emergence of the new world order or the new system of intergovernmental relationship was definitely in the pipeline. So the matter was who would take this responsibility to make a step. And I think that President Trump did a great job to initiate